Thank you for visiting Utah Bankruptcy Questions and Answers. This is a video series presented by attorney Amy Butters to help people in Centerville, Utah find answers to their questions about bankruptcy. If you need to speak with a bankruptcy lawyer in Centerville, call Amy at 801-513-DEBT. That's 801-513-3328. Will I lose my tax return or tax refund if I file for bankruptcy? As the end of the year draws near, many potential bankruptcy clients are going to want to know whether they can keep their tax refund if they're going to be filing a bankruptcy. The simple answer is yes, with the help and guidance of an experienced bankruptcy attorney. If you'll forgive me, I got to let you know that we are a law office, and this article is certainly not legal advice. Also, if you're reading this article or you're watching a video, this doesn't make you one of our clients or create any kind of attorney-client relationship. But it should give you some really good information that gets right to the heart of your question about tax returns and bankruptcy. Now, a tax refund is extra money that you've overpaid the government during the course of the year. And usually, this happens because the withholdings for your taxes were causing too much money to be taken out of your paycheck. When your tax return arrives, some people use that money to pay for everyday needs like prescriptions, medicine, groceries. Tax returns could perhaps pay for an insurance premium on a home or a car, or your property taxes on your house. Often it's used to catch up on utility bills that are past due. As a bankruptcy law firm, it's our job to make sure that every legal advantage is made available to our clients so that we can make sure that they get the relief that bankruptcy has to offer. We also like to make it really easy to understand so that you feel involved and feel like you're being communicated with regularly. In bankruptcy, a potential tax refund is just like any other asset. It's going to have to be disclosed to the court. An easy way to think of this is to think of your tax return as a separate bank account. While you're allowed to protect assets like balances in bank accounts in some circumstances, these bankruptcy exemptions have limits. So depending on the amount of the tax refund, you may be able to protect 100% of it or maybe only a portion of it. If you're filing bankruptcy in Utah, the timing of when you actually file your bankruptcy has a lot to do with whether your tax return can be protected. Now, for example, if you receive your tax refund prior to filing bankruptcy and then you use it to pay some necessities like the ones that I mentioned earlier, like food, utilities, mortgage payments, rent, property taxes, insurance premiums, or even your bankruptcy fees, there is no asset to disclose in your petition, and therefore you have nothing to lose. If, however, you receive your tax refund after filing bankruptcy, the refund becomes property of the bankruptcy estate, and you could lose some or all of it to the trustee. So, what should you take away from this video? First, seek out the advice of an experienced bankruptcy attorney, and second, do so early and plan ahead well before you intend to file. When clients come in to see us, early enough, we can offer them many more options to help protect assets like a tax refund than we can for somebody who comes in to see us at the last minute, such as someone who comes in one day before a foreclosure sale or a wage garnishment that's already hit them, where now filing bankruptcy has to happen immediately in order to try and save their home or preserve their wages. Now, if you enjoyed this video, but you feel like you still have some unanswered questions, don't worry, we've got you covered. We've actually created an entire video series that answers all the commonly asked questions about bankruptcy. Go ahead on over to our website, and there you'll be able to download our free ebook, and you'll be directed to our main website where the entire video series is located.